How do you know what the best mind-body therapies are, especially for you? Allowing our minds and bodies to relax and recharge is essential. Without mind-body therapy techniques, both our minds and bodies can become overwhelmed. Our mental and physical health are connected in complex ways, making the mind-body therapy worth our time. Luckily, there are many mind-body therapies we can look into. Choosing a mind-body therapy that best suits you can be challenging. Everyone is so different, so knowing what will help your mind and body be at peace is very important. There are ways to go about it. You can start by asking yourself a few questions to learn what therapies work best for you. So how to find the best mind-body therapies, especially for you. Finding the best mind-body therapy practice takes some self-reflection. Start asking yourself important questions that will help navigate the things you need from the therapy practice. What do you need from the therapy? Do you need to address stress? Do you need to find a way to cope with physical symptoms? Are you just looking for a way to increase your general health? Knowing these answers will help determine the best individual fit for you. In addition to asking, what are you hoping to get out of these therapy practices, you also need to ask yourself what is realistic for you to do. How much free time do you have to devote to this practice? Is there someone who can help you get started? Your commitment will evolve over time. However, it's crucial to know the logistics. Examples of beneficial mind-body therapy practices. As mentioned previously, there is no one type of therapy that is better than the other because everyone is so different. Mind-body therapies practices are about healing and growth. So choose the ones that accomplish that for yourselves. Here are some general examples of good mind-body therapy practices to sustain a long-term mind-body connection. Practicing yoga. This is probably one of the first things that comes to mind when we say the words mind and body. Yoga is a very powerful technique used to further connect your mind, body, and soul, and allows these connections to flow deep. There are many levels of yoga, from beginners to advanced classes. Yoga helps relax your mind and slow your response to stress by incorporating body movements and stretches with breathing exercises. Writing in a journal. This technique leans more into your mental health than it does your physical, but it connects both your mind and body nonetheless. Writing in a journal is a great way to transfer the chaos in your mind onto paper, allowing your mind to roam free. When you write with ease, the tensions in your muscles by getting all these worries out on paper. Guided imagery. This technique involves a professional, but it's a great way to connect with your mind-body therapy. Guided imagery is a form of therapy that allows you to use your imagination to heal and is referred to as guided because you will need a therapist or coach helping you. You create images, sounds, smells, tastes, or textures with a therapist to create the perfect safe space for relaxation. Impact therapy. This type of therapy involves using some sort of impact, such as racquetball, pickleball, tennis, softball, baseball, boxing, kickboxing, and certain martial arts. Impact therapy is a good release of stress and anger done in a progressive manner. This summer, we're changing it up, and I believe that our mind affects our physical health, and our physical health impacts our mental health. Take some time to explore what different types of practices may work well for you individually. I look forward to your comments below on these practices mentioned in the video, and let's brainstorm together in the comments below to come up with the best ideas suited for you. Thank you.